this had to, oh my, see, that's how wet I got. This had to have been the most crazy biking video, or at least one of the most crazy I've ever done. We literally went biking in a huge rainstorm. We went biking in this. Flooded. Just putting out, it's pouring, like literally, like I decided to do this on my giant stance right here. Now, if you want to see a video of me comparing bikes, I have a Walmart bike in the shed, which, not down here. My dad has this bike, brother has this bike. So pretty much like $100 bike, then a shaky somewhere. So pretty much a $100 bike versus $1,800 bike. So let me know if you want to see that, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Now let's get into this video. Bro, I am praying this camera angle's good, because if it's not, oh my god, look at this water. I have to scrap this whole thing. Yeah, I'm slugging it out. Holy. Oh my gosh, it's sketch. Oh my god, look, it's flooded. It's literally flooded. It's flooded. Look at the ground. It's... I have to take a shower when I get home. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm driving through a river. This is so sketch. I try to do it. I try to do it as quick. It's gonna be sketch. Okay, I can't. I'm not even gonna hit that rock jump right there. Holy. I'll hit that though. Oh my god. Oh. Bro, I'm soaked. Holy. I'm drenched. What am I doing? I'm soaked. It's pouring. Sketch. Good news. No. Okay. I can't make that hill right now. It's too wet. It's a river. What we do have going for us though: biking shoes, Max's tires, the giant stance one. Holy. Alright. I'm getting wrecked. Oh my god. I almost wiped out. And in the woods, it's not like not as much water's getting through as on the street. We do have that going. Holy, look at this. Look what I'm driving through. Oh, wow. Yeah, I hit my head in the... Okay. Fine though, I got a helmet. Full face helmet. Because I can't record on my other helmet. Holy. Look at this. Look what I'm driving through. You know what? We're going the hard way. We're going the long, harder way. Oh my god. I'm soaked. Across this bridge. Actually kind of fun though. I'm not even gonna lie. It's actually kind of sick. I'm doing 2 laps to make sure I get good footage. Maybe the second lap I'm not going this way though. This way ain't that bad. But in case the camera fell down during lap 1, hopefully it's good for lap 2. Okay, this is gonna be sketch right here. This spot's gonna be so sketch. Holy, this is sketch. Oh my gosh. How did I not wipe out? How did I not go down right there? This is sketch. I'm getting a wet sock. I'm getting a wet sock for sure. Look at this. I gotta do some parkour here. Step over here. I should just ride through this. Probably have less of a chance of getting a wet sock. But we're doing it this way, I guess. Oh, put my bike up. Now I gotta make a leap of faith. And the second tire always gets splashes up on me, but we're beyond the point of being soaked. So, I mean, it doesn't really matter at that point. Alright, let's go. Oh, frick, what I just... I ain't making up this thing right now. Oh, and I'm slipping. Oh my god. Good thing Maxis has good grip. Oh, we have to go through a lake. See that thing? Alright. Let's charge into action. Down this drop too, off this rock. Oh my god. Oh, it's so wet. Alright, we're doing another lap. To make sure no matter what the footage is good. But I'm not going the longer way this time. So we are where our soaked these woods are right now. That's the thing. So, oh my god, I almost just slipped out on the rock. I'm gonna wipe out. I'm gonna wipe out. I'm so sketch. Holy, I'm getting soaked. I can't see because there's water in my eyes. Let's hit this again. Not heavy though, like usual, but still hitting it. I think I'm beyond a wet sock right now. Everything's wet. I tried to wear a sweatshirt. I've been wrecked. I didn't wear a sweatshirt. Oh my god. Oh. It is what it is. I had to wear my biking shoes for this one. Yeah, those are crucial right now. Come on. Let's go. I made it up. Clean it off again. There we go. Coming up on a lake. I'm just slowing through this. Alright. If I drove too fast for that, I'd get wrecked. All that water kick off. It already is all kicking off. I can't see. Screw it, we're sanding. I'm not doing any of the features we built till I die. Hope this camera got footage. One covered by a raindrop. I'm trying to wipe it up the whole time. Now just in case. But who knows, I might have missed some. I might have missed spots. If I hear a person, I'm leaving anyway right now, but if I saw a person or saw an animal, I'd be booking it. I'm gonna floor it. Oh, I'm slowing down for this thing though. Alright. and take a shower, change all my clothes. And I just took a shower because I just got back from the gym. My suspension wasn't locked, it was good.